Hello, I am Dr. Saurabh Patwardhan from Nandadeep Eye Hospital, Sangli, India and FECO Training Center. In this video, I'll be demonstrating a very exciting technique called mechanical chop, which is a variant of a horizontal chop. I have seen this technique in Dr. Sri Ganesh video as well as Dr. Nito Rosatelli from Brazil uses this technique very often, and I like this unique design of chopper by Dr. Lucan, which can be used for this technique. There are certain advantages of this technique such as reduced phaco energy, lower fluid use, it's more controlled, quicker, and thus we should all try to learn this technique, which may be helpful to us in certain situations and certain cases. For this particular technique, I use a modified Sinskey. I call it Patwardhan's hybrid chopper. For the initial cases, it is better to do it with hydrodelineation because it gives us an idea where the nucleus is exactly, and you have to hook your chopper around that nucleus, and it's important to have a blunt tip chopper here. Once it hooks the nucleus around, you basically crush the nucleus between the chopper and the phacoprobe tip, thus splitting the nucleus. Now, to make it more easy, particularly in the initial cases, you can do a small groove into the nucleus so that the phaco tip lies deeper. When it is deeper, it is easier to perform mechanical chop because the distance to be traveled by the chopper is reduced, and also there is a weakened area of nucleus where it splits easily. When you learn it better, you can do it without hydrodelineation. Advantage is that you don't have to take care of the epinucleus later, but it is important that your chopper lies just under the capsule in this particular technique. So you have to be more experienced to use this. And to make it more safer for the posterior capsule, you can use a ball tip chopper when you are using it without hydrodelineation. So this ball tip exactly lies under the capsule and it can split the nucleus into divisions. Just like in horizontal chop, you have to make sure that your chopper is underneath the anterior capsule when you are maneuvering, otherwise it might tear the anterior capsule. So this is the modified Sinskey. I call it Patwardhan hybrid chopper, and I will be demonstrating the mechanical chop here. So just look at the angles, and I simply make it by bending 1 or 1.5 millimeter Sinskey, which is a blunt instrument. And once the phacoprobe and the chopper is inside the eye, I will remove the anterior epinucleus and cortex, and then I will make a small groove here as I shown in the animation. This gives me better hold. Now the chopper hooks the equator of the nucleus under the anterior capsule, and then it splits the nucleus by crushing the nucleus towards the phacotip. Just watch it here with higher zoom as it traverses in the deeper plane and cutting the nucleus into two halves. In slow motion, you can watch how exactly I have positioned the chopper going around the equator of the nucleus, and you can see the anterior capsule I am carefully avoiding to get caught, and then once I start splitting, it moves towards the phacotip. Remember, I am not using any phaco energy here, just the mechanical separation of the nucleus is done between the two instruments, phacotip and the chopper. And the same procedure is repeated by rotating the nucleus to the other side, so you can make as many pieces as you want. So you can see here how easily I can divide. So another case using the same technique. Here the difference is that I will not be making any groove. So once you get accustomed to grooving and then doing the mechanical chop, then you can do mechanical chop even without grooving. So again the same principle is there. I go under the anterior capsule, I can see the equator of the nucleus by the hydrodelineation line, and now it goes towards the phacotip and thus splitting the nucleus into half. Once you get used to doing this for grade 1 to 3 cataract, you can also try for harder cataract. I will show it in subsequent videos. And this is a really good technique. It reduces the amount of echo energy to be used. Very controlled technique. As you can see, there is hardly any fluid movement during this chopping. So do try this. For phaco training and fellowship, you can contact me. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel for many other videos on this topic, and also watch wonderful videos on phacotraining.org.in and also submit some videos. Thank you so much.